Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today, you know we have to bring it back again. Oxtail.
Oxtail what? Oxtail Tuesday. Yes, Oxtail Tuesday. We eat oxtail. No, we can't eat oxtail every day.
Can't have it every day.
Oxtail.
Maybe once a month we have oxtail.
Oxtail expensive, my you.
Yeah.
I'm still looking for my cow.
So we have oxtail with rice and peas and some salad, and then we have some pear, aka avocado, on the side. And this rice is gungo peas rice, so, or you know, pigeon peas, so however you call it. And it's, as always, it's delicious.
Let me taste. Let me taste what's going on first. Hot.
Family, I almost burned the oxtail.
You should never want to give me none.
I put it to warm, and it almost burned. I put it just in time.
Family. You know I've been tight.
It was already cooked.
What? No oxtail expensive already to go buy an oxtail and burn it up.
And burn oxtail. Yep.
Wow.
So how did you guys like the throwback video? That's how my channel looked when it was just me by myself before, aka the greedy couple. But
Before she put her greedy husband on it.
yes, best decision,
Wow.
right? Until he gets on my nerves.
Best decision. You was doing good by yourself. Family.
Thank you.
She was doing good by herself, but it was a lot of guys. I don't see them no more. They run gone. She have somebody come help her with her food now. Alright, let me take a bite of the oxtail first. Wait, let me get my piece first before I give it out. Come on. You got my bone. You have nothing? You need nothing?
Yeah, I need nothing. One piece.
Family, let me get mine first. Let me taste it first.
I hope you guys had a great weekend. Going juicy now. That's what happens when you let it sit there and soak. When you cook it, you let it soak, like the juice gets to get into the bone, man.
Wow. Okay. I'm gonna give you a big rice first. Open up. Big rice. Then I'm gonna give you a piece of the oxtail, okay? Here, sharing is caring. You know? Here we go. I'm gonna hold it there for a little bit for all the slow people that's coming in now to take some. There you go. Alright. Okay. Now I'm gonna give you what you've been waiting for. You like it in peace? Just like it in peace, right? Get in peace, right? Here you go. There we go. Alright. See? It's all dripping.
Dripping.
Family. I can't believe first time I'm gonna put a oxtail on my yacht.
I did. Not gonna lie.
Man. Trust me.
What I was gonna do was get it nice and warm. Put it in the oven. Like my oxtail have been cooked since 10:30
Wow.
in the morning. So
You know, it's a long time you didn't see. Yeah, it's all right. Grace ain't showing me no love, so I can't be brandishing Grace like that. Grace ain't showing me no love. Been a year and Grace ain't been holler at me yet. You know?
Nope.
You know what I'm saying? So Grace ain't showing me no love, so they can't be out so much. You know what I'm saying? That's how it is.
You ain't a big timer. That's what I must say.
We ain't big yet, so Grace wanted to show me no love. You know?
How was work?
Same most of them I got work, you know? Gotta pay them bills.
Yep.
Bills gotta be paid. I'm just gonna be a stay-home mom again.
Huh?
Family, first I used to be a stay-home mom. She didn't tell you?
You're right. You curse me and tell me to go to fucking work? I'm trying to tell people fucking lie.
First I used to be a stay-home mom one time. Now I'm broke. I can't do that again. Ladies, for all the ladies, who would want to be a stay-home mom? Comment down. Let me see, ladies. If y'all would love to be a stay-home mom. If you had a choice. You know what I'm saying? Or let me know who was a stay-home mom before.
But what if you don't have kids?
Oh, yeah.
You just want to be stay at home.
Yeah.
You don't want to have to work.
Yeah. What if you don't have kids too? Yeah.
That too.
That's true. I wasn't thinking about her.
I like having my own money. But you guys know I don't want to have to work a regular job to get it. Run my own business. Make my own money. Make my own schedule.
First, you don't want to work for nobody.
But sometimes you have to work for somebody to get to what you want to get to. You understand? So it'll be fine.
One day at a time.
What you say? You gotta creep before you can walk?
Gotta creep before you walk. That soda, that juice right here in the fridge, that thing work. The tangy pulp thing, whatever you call it, the club soda.
Oh, you put some in there?
Yeah, that's what it's good.
In this one?
Yeah, in this.
The orange one?
No, the one that was in the fridge just now. It's a tangy one. It's the next one I opened. I don't know, whatever. I drink good.
Tonic?
Yeah, that's a tonic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it tastes it? Because by itself it has like a bitter taste.
No, it tastes tangy. It tastes.
Oh, yeah.
It tastes right.
But by itself it tastes.
Yeah, you can't drink that by itself, man. You. I put the pulp soda them in the thing to get a little thing. I know y'all want to know, so I gotta tell y'all. To get a little fuzz, you know.
Because what happened was that we had a lot of
leftovers.
club sodas from my mother's surprise birthday party. Yes. If you didn't see that video, it's there. Go check it out. And so he uses it, the club soda, and he pours it in his drink to give him like that little, you know.
Oh.
Make you feel like you're drinking soda when you're not. You bite your tongue?
And I wasn't talking. See, can't say I was talking now because every time the family members say I talk, I bite my tongue. I wasn't talking. I was listening. I don't know. My teeth them too sharp. I have to go.
They're gonna shave them down.
Yeah, I shave them down. I wasn't talking that time, family, and I still bite my teeth. So I don't know my tongue. I don't know what's going on. Wow. Wow. You gotta tell the family what happened again? I know.
The pear tastes good.
I'm gonna.
All you gonna do is get yourself up mad again? You already walking around here walking around here pissed off.
Shut the hell up, boy, walking around pissed off.
Who's gonna get you there?
Shut too much in my ear. Family. Guess what?
I ain't gonna play with you today.
Guess what, family? Something in my teeth first. Ha. Guess what? Yes. What, Richie? Okay, ask me what, Richie? I'm waiting. I wait. Alright, I'm gonna try again because you're not listening. Guess what, family? You hear me now? What, Richie? Okay. It happened again, family. I guess I'm just bad lucky. Somebody ran into my car again, this time in the side. Coming from work. You know I play my lotto, so I had to stop and get my lotto ticket, family. Driving in my own lane. Person not paying attention. Took a wide turn and run right into me. They said bad luck come in threes. That's my second time, family. I don't want a third time.
It's already third time already.
It's third time already? Really?
The first one.
Oh, the first. Oh, wow.
Then the raccoon.
Yeah. This is my third time. So hopefully that's it. Yeah. The first time. Yep. You didn't hear it? What you say, Richie? No. Come. Really? Yes. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Nothing happened. You know. Just a little fender bender. But I'm fine. But yeah, it happened again, family. You remember before the raccoon story a couple months ago? Yeah, I saw the pictures. This time it's in my side now.
Yep. And the guy had the nerve to lie. That's the problem.
Then the guy had the nerve to lie. Family, I was that close to be on the breaking news.
You gonna beat him up?
But first lady had to say, yo, don't do it. It's not worth it.
It's not.
It's not. After family, he's wrong. He have a lot of talk. You know what I'm saying? He had a lot of talk, family, and he was wrong, you know. I just had to keep calm because I said, you know what? I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail. You know what I'm saying? But it's alright though.
The important thing is, it wasn't worse.
It wasn't worse. It could have been worse, you know?
Worse.
Yep.
Yep.
But we gonna get through it again.
Yeah.
But hope that's the last time. Cause that's 3 times in a row already.
Yeah.
So that's not good.
I look at things as it could be worse, and I move on. It's a little harder for Richie, but that's okay. The good thing is that he doesn't sit there and dwell on it for days upon days. A couple of days, and then he's over. Especially when his car is fixed back. But
yeah, you hear what they just said?
What?
Richie.
What am I saying?
You just fixed your car because of the raccoon, and this happened again.
Yep.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, family. But it's all good. I mean, I can sit down and eat this beautiful food.
I said it could be worse.
Could be worse. Could be.
Yep.
Some people right now, family, is in a worse predicament. Where do I go? Worse predicament than me. You know what I'm saying? And fighting for their life right now.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I'm glad it wasn't worse.
Yeah.
That's all. But sometimes it's not like, it's like this. You have to drive for everybody. You know, you just can't drive for yourself. Everybody you have to drive for, because what you may see, people won't see. You know what I'm saying?
And then
what's the word they said? The drive, when you drive, you are what? What's the word? When you there's a word that you drive carefully. Family, what's that word? What they say when you drive and you drive? I forgot the name. It's a word that they use. If I remember it, I could probably. I don't remember.
But I know that Florida is a no-fault state, so.
And that's not right. I don't like that.
Basically, he has to go through his insurance, and we gotta go through our insurance. But because it's his word against Richie's word.
Yep.
And the police officers, their job is not to determine who was right, who was wrong. They just, because it's a no-fault state. All they do is give you a police report. You call your insurance company, and the insurance company determines and whatever.
But a lot of people have accidents and then the person that's wrong admitted they're wrong.
Mm-hmm.
That ever happened to your family?
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? When the person admitted that it was their fault, if you haven't been in there, I can't. But what?
What? Hold on.
What?
Put it on my nose?
What's wrong? What you laugh for?
Yeah, because I thought, who came on my nose?
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, it is, no one wants to go through an accident.
Yeah, nobody want to go through it.
Because, you know, these insurance companies,
You know,
they would drop your ass in a second.
you know, yep. You know what? My first ticket in Florida, and all my accident in Florida, and I never mean an accident in New York.
That's true. But you didn't have enough time in New York to drive.
I had a lot of time. I was driving from my old, when I just got my permit. So I had a lot of time. Remember I told the story. I read it in the train station.
But compared to...
Yeah,
you didn't have enough time.
But New York is worse than driving in here.
I know, but you didn't have enough time. But New York, most people,
Y'all already know. New York drive like the Georgia people. Yes. You know yep. They don't play. I like that. We were like, God damn, this reminds us of New York. They just driving,
they
son.
just drive.
Yeah. But you know what I mean? Just be careful out there.
Yeah.
That's all. Be careful. Trust me. Huh? I used to have a motorbike family. Right? I didn't get nobody. I had it. We had a little bike crew. My buddy used to ride and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Then I don't like telling first day the story that I see because you know how it is. Every day, everybody tell me be safe, be safe, be safe, be safe. I understand being safe, but remember, it's sometimes it's not the motorists. It's the drivers, because the motorists will pay attention a lot, but it's the people that's driving, sometimes they're not paying attention.
Yeah.
So, I told First Lady one day when I was going to play basketball, this accident I saw. Family, I seen so much stuff happen to somebody on a motorbike, and I didn't even want to tell her everything. And then I just said, you know what? It's time for me to get rid of that bike.
Yeah, we're going to sell that shit.
Yeah.
He sold it.
I said, it's time for me to get rid of that bike, family. Damn, I gave you a 3-story one today. Y'all lucky. I put my bike up for sale and I sold it. I was saying I don't want to be in no accident, but I'd rather take my chance in a car than in a motorbike. I had a friend in New York, family. He used to have a dirt bike. That's all they used to ride in New York. Crash. End up in a body cast. But he started back working, but his whole body was in, in cast. And I said I would never ride a bike. And I ended up getting a bike.
I was shocked when he got one. Shocked.
Ended up getting a bike, family.
No, I was shocked when he mentioned it to me. Let's just say...
Because we had a little crew.
Let's just say that it was not a good conversation in the household, okay? It was an argument and lots of arguing about this motorbike. Me chat the truth.
And then I got my bike and then I seen someone that said I had to get rid of it. I had to get rid of it. I sold everything. But yeah, but again, just be safe with everything you do. Walking, driving.
Were you going through a midlife crisis or something?
When
you bought the bike?
Let me tell you what I got through. Same thing you got through.
Please, tell out of here.
So
motorbike.
But yeah, it wasn't one of those big bike. I never rode on the highway, but one time. I did the local. Probably, I always did the local road. I never ride on the highway, probably.
Yo. I said to myself.
It was like 6 or 7 of us. All of us had the same bike. And we used to just ride in crew. We used to just ride around. Remember I drove you on it before?
Yeah. I just ride it here and there. So, it's so funny because when he got it, like I said, there's a lot of arguing about that bike. So I said, okay. All right, I'm going to leave you. I'm going to give you less than a year. You'll get tired of that damn bike. And she said, no, I'm not. I said, all right. But she got tired of the bike. Why? It's a bike. If it's too hot outside, who the hell want to ride a bike when it's hot as hell? This is Florida. If it's raining, you can't ride the bike. If it's too windy, you can't ride the bike. So I was like, it sat in that garage more than he rode it.
Like I tell.
It sat in that garage more than he rode it.
I ride my bike after the light shot.
Please.
I rode my bike. I was in a biker gang, son.
Yeah, all right.
But I was in a biker gang, but not the highway gang. I take the local road. Family,
I'm glad he sold it though.
Yeah, I sold it. You don't eat?
Yeah.
Let me give them my word of wisdom. Family,
Every time he ride that bike, I was a nervous wreck. So I was glad when he sold that shiggity. No.
I sure sold it, family.
This food was good, but I'm full.
I sold everything. All right. But yeah, that was just a story. I gave a 3-story in one today. Okay, family. Ladies, because it's only ladies that watch, and it's like a couple guys I kind of...
Stop running
Listen,
people then.
this is for the ladies, all right? That's why I said ladies, all right? This one is for the ladies. You talk too much sometimes, you know, I'll tell you about that.
I sure do.
You talk too much
I
sometimes.
sure do.
Family, tell her she talk too much sometimes. She don't let me finish talking.
Yeah,
chat to me, bite you.
I'm supposed to joke?
Family, she talk too much sometimes. Ladies, this is for the ladies, okay? First lady, listen, okay? Please listen, ladies, and let me know. Okay. Ready? All right. A strong woman is one who is... Oh, sorry. Cut. Ready again? A strong woman is one who is able to smile this morning like she wasn't crying last night.
I've had a lot of those.
Okay. All right, you want to read it again?
Yeah, read it again. I've had a lot of those.
You love cry, you bally too much. A strong woman is one who is able to smile this morning like she wasn't crying last night. We appreciate y'all. We'll talk about my teeth. Thanks for rocking with us.
We'll put in your teeth.
Yeah, this is my teeth. We got some teeth. And if you're new, welcome to our show where we talk about anything. Oh yeah, we do it. We have the new background and we're gonna put it up soon. Okay, we didn't forget about it. We have it because I know you're saying change the background. We want to see the one. We got.
Well, it's just gonna be white.
It's
for
just
now.
gonna be white for now. Then we're gonna pretty it up for y'all.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I am Richie.
Yeah.
This is Shanice, aka First Lady. They are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang. Bye.